the total mass. Now students, see question number 29. 29 I am giving you homework. See, the total mass of 8 packets, each of the same size, is 10 kg 600 gram. What is the mass of each such packet? Class, now this is similar to 27th question. That's why I am giving you this as homework. Okay, see here the information about more is given. 8 packets is given and you have to find out about 1. So what you will do? Yes, you will do division. I hope you can do it on your own. I am doing question number 30. Now in question number 30, what is given? A rope of length 10 meter. Rope means rassi. A rope of length 10 meter has been divided into 8 pieces of the same length. What is the length of each piece? That means 10 meter rope is given and you have to divide it into 8 pieces. Okay. So what you will do here? Each piece is given. You have to find out about each piece. Yes, you will do division. Start doing. So the length of a rope is 10 meter. So first of all you will write length of a rope equals to 10 meter. And how many pieces you have to do? 8 pieces. Okay. So number of pieces, this rope is divided. Number of pieces in rope divided. So 8. Now students, there are 2 ways of doing this question. Either you convert this, that is meter, into centimeter. That is 10 meter I am showing you as method 1 and method 2. So in method 1, you can convert this as 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 10 meter equals to 10 into 100 equals to 1000 centimeter. Now you can divide it. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So 10 minus 6 will be 4, 0 will come down, 8 5 ja 40. So it will become 125 centimeter, and when you convert it into meter, then it will become 1 meter 25 centimeter. That means it is divided, each pieces is divided into 1 meter 25 centimeter. Either you can do in this way or you can do it directly also. That is 10 divided by 8. You all know the decimal. So when you divide 8 1 ja 8, 10 minus 8 will be 2. If you put decimal over here, the 0 will come here and it become 8 2 ja 16. Now 10 and 0. 4 and again you can put 0 here, because when you put decimal over here, you can put 0 over here. Okay, you can extend your zeros, that you all know. So 8 5 ja 40. Now before decimal, whatever number is there, it will come as meter, and after decimal, whatever number is coming, it will come as centimeter. So your answer will come as 1 meter 25 centimeter. So you can do in both the method. Okay. So you can write here. I hope you have done. Hence, the rope is divided into 1 meter 25 centimeter. Tomorrow we will start new exercise. Thank you.